Paul is being harassed by sound effects. Sound effects can create the illusion that there is more going on in your film than you can afford to show. Take this next scene as an example.
Hello?
You can build up your own sound effects library by using dedicated websites like FindSounds, or you can record your own. Here I am using my video camera to record the sound of running water. Now back to Paul. Watch how a simple sound effect can create a sense of tension. Sometimes you won't be able to record or find your sound effect. For example, in this clip from Scum of the Earth, we had to make the sound of margarine being scooped out by a knife. We had to make it from scratch using white noise that we ran through loads of different effects on a sound editor. Sometimes you might have to combine two sound effects to make a new one. Whatever, just remember that sound effects can really help transform your movie, and sometimes take it to another world.